In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I installed Phantom Wallet and used it with no money at all. Here's what happened during my enlightening journey into the world of Web3. If you've been curious about getting started with cryptocurrencies, but hesitant due to the potential financial risks, this method allows you to explore without spending a dime. So, let's dive in. First, I installed Phantom Wallet, an app that has garnered a reputation for being user-friendly, especially for those new to the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. After downloading the app, the setup was straightforward. Once you open the app, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet. Phantom will guide you through this process, ensuring that you securely generate your seed phrase. This step is crucial since this phrase is your wallet's key. Keep it safe and private. Once set up, I was ready to delve into the next phase of my exploration. To explore Phantom Wallet without financial risk, I switched over to DevNet. DevNet is a testing environment within the Solana ecosystem that allows you to experience all the functionalities without using real money. This is a perfect playground for beginners who want to learn the ropes before committing actual funds to the blockchain. Switching to DevNet in Phantom is as simple as going to the settings and choosing the network option. From there, select DevNet instead of Mainnet. Once I was on DevNet, the next step was claiming free test SOL, which stands for Solana, the native cryptocurrency of the Solana blockchain. You can easily obtain these test tokens right from the Phantom interface without spending real money. The test SOL will facilitate various transactions that we'll soon explore. Now, armed with some test SOL, I began to explore what Phantom had to offer. First, I sent tokens. Using test tokens to send transactions is a fantastic way to learn how to manage your assets, understand transaction details, and get comfortable with these processes without real-world consequences. After getting the hang of sending tokens, I shifted my attention to trying out swaps. Swapping involves exchanging one type of token for another, a core function in the cryptocurrency space. Using the test tokens, you can practice this and gain a solid understanding of how these transactions work. My exploration also led me to Magic Eden, a marketplace for digital collectibles often referred to as NFTs. Browsing Magic Eden with test tokens is a safe way to understand NFTs and how marketplaces operate without any financial risk. What became crystal clear during this journey is that Phantom isn't just a wallet. It's an excellent educational tool for anyone interested in learning about Web3. Its beginner-friendly interface and the opportunity to practice for free make it an ideal choice for those just starting. Overall, Phantom Wallet is a great option if you're looking to get your feet wet in the crypto world without risking any real money.